Good morning, students. Today we will see English grammar, degrees of comparison, meaning, explanation. This will be useful for 10th standard also, 9th and 10th. Degrees of comparison. Exam. There are 3 degrees of comparison. Most adjectives have 3 different forms to show degrees of comparison: the positive, the comparative, and the superlative. The positive is used to describe one item, group, or person. The comparative is used to describe two items, people, or groups. Now, the degree is series of steps, point, scale, or a stage in a scale. An example of a degree is 98.6 for the human normal body temperature. So, an example for degree is a high level of strength and exercise. Now, the comparative and superlative degrees are found by adding the er and est suffix to adjectives and adverbs with a single consonant for an ending. Degrees of comparison can also be distinguished with the use of more and most, more clever and most clever. We will see one example. Comparison is the act of finding out the differences and similarities between two or more people or things. An example of comparison is tasting different years of point, noise, etc., discussing their differences. Now we will see in another example. What is an adjective? Adjective adjective of quality changes its form when it is used to compare one noun with another. An adjective of quality changes its form when it is used to compare the noun with another. It is called the degree of comparison of an adjective. There are 3 degrees of comparison: positive degree, comparative degree, the superlative degree. Once again, I'll repeat. There are 3 degrees of comparison: the positive degree, the comparative degree, the superlative degree. The positive degree is used to refer to one object, person, or place without making any comparison. The comparative degree refers to a greater degree of adjective as compared to the positive degree. The comparative degree refers to a greater degree of adjective as compared to the positive degree. It is used to compare two objects, people, or places. It is used to compare two objects, people, or places. Look at the two houses. Her house is bigger than my house. One house is small, another house is big. Now they are comparing two places, two objects. Now here, two objects. Her house is bigger than my house. Comparing. The superlative degree refers to the greatest degree of adjective. The superlative degree refers to the greatest degree. It is used to compare more than two objects, people, or places. More than two objects, people, or places. First, we have seen two houses. Now we are seeing three houses. It is used to compare more than two objects, people, or places. And then you can take it as a small, smaller, smallest, big, bigger, biggest, are adjective, comparison words only. His house is the biggest of all. First house is the biggest of all. So this is an comparative. How they will compare? This is a superlative degree comparing to other houses. His house is the biggest of all. Comparing three houses. First house is the biggest of all. We had ER and EST to most one or two syllable words that end in consonants. We had ER and EST to at most one or two syllable words that end in consonants. Positive, dull. Comparative, duller. Superlative, dullest. Take for example, Ram, Sam, Ram, Sam, Tom. Ram is dull, Sam is duller, Tom is the dullest. Comparing positive, comparative, superlative. When the positive ends in E, we had only R and ST to the adjective. Positive, comparative, superlative. Look at these three pictures. Large, larger, largest. Large, first one is large is called positive. Second one is compared to large, larger. Third one is superlative, largest tree. When the positive ends in consonant plus Y, we drop the Y and add ER and EST. Take for example, when the positive ends in consonants plus Y, we drop the Y and add IER and IEST. Positive like E, we drop the Y for comparative. Y, instead of Y, add IER like here. For superlative like EST and then add IEST. One man is positive, first man is lucky, second man is luckier, third man is the luckiest man. So if you drop lucky, IER and IEST for for comparative and superlative, you have to add. When the positive is a word of one syllable that ends in vowel plus consonants, we double the ending consonant and then add ER and EST. When the positive is a word of one syllable that ends in vowel plus consonant, we double the ending consonant and then add ER and EST. There are three balloons, vowel plus consonants, double ER, add ER, ending the consonants and then add ER and then EST. Positive is the red. Comparative, vowel plus consonant, redder, double D. Superlative, reddest, double D plus EST. Red, redder, reddest. Ends in vowel plus consonant, double the ending consonants and then add ER, EST. When the positive is long, that is a word of two or more syllables, we had more and most before the adjective is to form comparative and superlative degrees. That means add is a word two or more syllable, positive useful, comparative more useful, two or more syllables, superlative most useful, word of two or more syllable. We can add more and most before an adjective word. There are some adjectives that do not form the comparatives and superlatives from their positives. They have irregular degrees of comparison. Good. If he takes report card, 100 out of 85 is good. Better, irregular, 900 out of 95. Best is 100 out of 100. Same thing only. These are three irregular words. They do not form the comparatives and superlatives from their positives. So these good, better, best are called irregular degrees of comparison. We use than with a comparative degree. Use the with a superlative degree. Mohan is shorter than Ricky. This is called comparative. Mohan is shorter than Ricky. Look at the pictures. We use than with comparative degree. Use the with the superlative degree. Girls and boys are there. Falguni is name of the person. Now is the shortest girl in her class. In one class, the shortest girl. Find out. Her name is Falguni. Now, so far you have seen what is the meaning, how to differentiate between positive, comparative and superlative degrees. I have given so many exercises in Tamil meaning also. According to your medium, Tamil medium or English medium, you should understand and write in your own according to the situation, comparing the others, comparing the situation, positive or comparative or adjective. So the name itself is called the degrees of comparison. Comparison or comparing is the act of evaluating two or more things by determining the relevant comparable characteristics of each thing and then determining which characteristics of each are similar to the other, which are different, and to what degree. When we use the comparison of degree in academic writing, this is for your life, this is for your day-to-day life. In academic writing, comparison and contrast is particularly valuable because it enables you to see familiar things in new days. Common sense says the two things are the same, but a careful comparison and contrast demonstrate their important differences. There are three kinds of possible comparisons: equal, comparative and superlative. Forming the comparative and superlative forms usually depends on the number of syllables in the adjective. Thank you for listening and do the homework. We will see you in next class.